Everyone, this is Gibo Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will make a reaction video to DaouOffroad. It's been a while that I haven't made a reaction video to DaouOffroad. I think it's been 2 days. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. What is this? What? What's that look? It feels like Offroad is asking for a mercy. No, we watched that one already.
No, I love my job.
I love my job. Where are they now? Where are they now? Wait, can someone comment down below where are they now?
No, I love my job.
I love my job.
เขาได้แบบว่าซื้อของให้ผมเยอะ
Okay. Off. What is the meaning of this? The close friend. It's the bicep. The armpits. Alam na. Actually, no. This was before. Where are they now? The Wicked King. Are they having a fan meet? From which country? Daou. Daou. Look at, yeah, the face of Daou. He's always grumpy. He's always grumpy. Okay. Okay. Titan, what do you call that? My heart will go on.
Like that, right? Okay.
When you're in line, they're in New York, if I'm not mistaken. But there's a lot of fans from the Offroad. No, this was before. Oh. Okay. Who's the girl? Cecily? Look at Daou. Daou, the way how he sways his body, it's really sexy.
Can you draw a heart by any chance? Heart? Yeah. Thank you so much.
Heart, wait.
Hello. Hey.
Can you draw a heart by any chance?
Heart?
Yeah.
Heart? Okay. Sheesh.
I keep lying.
Can you draw a heart by any chance?
Okay. Okay. Oh. Oh my god, they made a tattoo, the signature of DaouOffroad. Oh my god.
กล้องมันดีจริงๆเลยว่ะ
มันก
คนถ่ายก็เก่ง
ถ่ายพี่บ้างครับเป้
หอม เทียบกันก่อนอะไรหอมกว่า อันนี้หอมกว่านิดนึงขอโทษใจเขียวด้วยนะครับ
So cute.
They're always like this. Wait, this is so cute. This is really cute. Look at that.
So cute.
They are in New York.
Say goodbye. First we learn to fly.
His voice is too high.
risk it all. Are you ready? Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Fight.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Acting. Slap face. Punch. Fighting. Kicking. Kung Fu. Taekwondo. What's that? Thai boxing. Kill. Standing. Slapping. Cutting. Flipping. What? Cut off.
Cut off.
Oh, action scene. Action scene. Yes. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank
So
you.
hard. I thought that's a verb.
He's such a baby, actually. He is such a
Okay,
baby.
action
Literally a
scenes.
baby.
I don't know if that one counts though because Offroad does.
There's a rule. My pleasure. Offroad, help me. Thank you,
Why?
na.
Thank you, na.
Alright, Team Offroad.
Offroad. Oh, really cutie. You know what? Offroad is acting like a baby but he's literally a baby. He's literally a baby. Oh yes. The way yes, I know, right? Oh. Oh, I thought that is a new video. Anyway, oh, this is cute.
มาเจอครั้งแรก
Okay.
ขอบคุณนะอวยพรให้หน่อยได้ไหมวันเกิดแบบเดือนหน้าขอบคุณครับโอ้ยตื่นเต้นมากเลยมาเจ
ส
อ
วัส
ค
ดี
รั้งแร
ค่ะ
กขอบคุณที่ทำให้พี่ได้มาเที่ยวนิวยอร์ก
สวยมาก
แต่ว่าขาลากเดินวันละ29,000โอ้โหออกกำลังกายทุกวันเลยปะเนี่ย
If you had to choose one song that defines your relationship behind the scenes, when no one is watching, what would it be? Say goodbye.
Okay. Daou Offroad never disappoints. Thank you. Hello, oh my god. Anyways, that is all for today's video. The Daou Offroad, this is Game of Vlogs, and see you on my next vlog. Bye.